What is going on, everybody? Another episode of 4x4 Camping and Adventures, and in today's episode, the inaugural run-in of the Ranger. Essentially, I'm going to head down to Yeagerup and find a bit of a spot down there next to the Warren River, cook up a bit of a feed, put the car through its paces, and just see what this thing's all about. Make sure all these cool little camping mods I've done are actually going to be good out here, out in the bush where we love using these vehicles. So grab yourself something nice and cold, strap yourself in, and enjoy the video, guys. So, just got to Nannup and spot a very, very tasty looking 300 series chop over there. I've actually seen a 300 chop before. Looks quite neat. Very, very nice. You might be able to see it in the background there. I'm gonna hit the bakery, get myself a pie. I've been here before. The pie's very good for the bakery. So it's 12:30. Perfect time to grab something to eat and continue on my way. So pie and continue on. But it's a good little town, this Nannup. I like it. It's a little quiet town. Bit of everything here, but just one of those nice little outback country towns. Can't beat them. All right, well, secured the goods. They've gone up a little bit last time since I bought them one here. $7.20 for a pie. It's crazy, but look, you can't beat one of these pies. They're really nice. I got beef cheese and bacon. You can't beat them. They're bloody beautiful pies. But yeah, $7 now, so that's inflation for you. All right, let's keep them moving. I'm going to enjoy this and keep heading down to Yeagerup. Then put the tyres down and hit that big first June on the way in. I'm keen to do that. And get the drone up, get some drone shots. So keen for a solo trip. All right, let's keep moving. So just airing down. Got to go down to about probably 14-15 psi here. I know the entrance to this track's pretty notorious, so you got to go up Big June. There's not really anywhere to get any momentum, so as always on beaches, tyre pressure is key. But going to go cruise past Yeagerup Lake and then just sort of head up to the dune, cruise through there, go around the back of the hut, and find this camp spot. Pretty keen. It's pretty quiet down actually. I've only got one other car. I've got this big exploration looking rig next to me. Looks pretty cool. But yeah, I love it down here. It's nice and quiet. Stinking hot day. Flies are definitely out in force today, so I'll be testing those zips up in the rooftop tent tonight. But what a spot. What a spot to be. The southwest of WA. How good is it? Love it down here. Still nice and green too. Everything's just picture perfect. So anyway, I'm gonna keep putting the tyre pressures down and we'll get on, go on past the lake and head up this first bit of the dune. I'll get some drone shots of me coming up. Should be pretty good. The view down here, Yeagerup Dunes. Love this spot. It's a cool little place to come down for a fish, come for a camp. Heaps of fun down here. These dunes are pretty cool to drive around. We're gonna go past the hut, as I said earlier in the video. We're gonna go down past there. Just the view of it though. So good down here. Nice hard dunes. It's not a hard entry. I'm at 12 psi at the front, 15 at the back. This is perfect for this beach. You really should have absolutely no dramas. So if you're having issues getting up that first bit, your tyre pressures are too high, or you just don't know how to full drive, but or it could be a combination of the both. But I'm going to keep on cruising, keep cruising through these dunes and go find my little campsite for my night. Ah, good. How's the view? Check that out. A bit blowy up here though, but the wind's pretty good. It's gonna be pretty calm tonight, so I think I'll be alright. So I got to get back up that, so that'll be alright. That'll be a bit of fun. So this is a big dune. Again, with the entrance, 13, 14 psi, you'd be right. Gotta keep going down this way. That goes down towards the beach, and then I'm gonna find myself a little camp. I can't get to the Warren spot anymore. They've blocked that off, unfortunately. All the good spots are just disappearing. That's all right. We'll keep cruising. I'll find a good spot next to the beach though. I don't think I'll have a drama finding a good bit of camping next to the beach somewhere. There's plenty of good little camping spots down here. So yeah, Jaeger up, how good. But yeah, I've got to get back up that. And I'll give you an update. So obviously on my original video of this car, my temperature gauge for the gearbox is about just under 3/4. So all that driving, cruising through the bush, all that kind of stuff, I used about, well, sorry, the temperature went up to like just past halfway, so which is pretty good. So yeah, no issues with the transmission temperatures. So anyway, we're gonna keep cruising down this way, find myself a camp because I am hankering for a drink. Blowing, mate. Blowing an absolute gale. Hopefully you can hear the audio. It's going to be pretty hard to get audio on this bit, but have a go. What a little spot. There's your Warren. That's your Warren inlet from the river. And you got beach. There's never been a day I haven't been down here and it's not blowing. It's always blowing a gale down here. But looks pretty good. I know there's some spots just in here to go check out. Just have to have a gander around, just sort of suss it all out. But yeah, this is home for the night, I think. Just got to find a little home to park up in. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you can still get in there. There's a few tracks that go around here, so I'm going to give them a go. And yeah, find a little camp spot. A bit out of the weather, because the wind's coming in. It's a westerly, which isn't too bad, because then all these sort of dunes are going to be protecting me. So I just got to find something that's big enough to protect me, and I'm all good. So I'm going to cruise through there, spin around, and just have a bit of a sniff around in there and see if I can find something to park up on. But have a go! Love it. Jaeger Up Beach, can't beat it. Alright, so got a bit of a homestead made up as the view. Have a go with that, eh? Not bad, not bad. And this is the tent. So as you can see, LED strip, you've got pockets each side. It's pretty comfortable. I'm 6 foot, my toes just touch the edge, so it's pretty comfy. 2 pillows don't really fit together, so you got to sort of do this V arrangement, but you could always buy smaller pillows. But pretty comfy. 30 mil mattress is good. Yeah, no, it's pretty comfy place to be. I might put an egg topper on it, I'm not sure yet, but no, it's pretty good. I'm going to do something about these little straps here, which they get in the way of everything, but they're easy enough to move. There's one little hooks, and oh mate, you know, like this thing opens up here, so this one opens up, and then this one opens up. So you got heaps of airflow. So it's going to be beautiful in here tonight. So it's still about 30 degrees. So yeah, I'm not even going to have a blanket in here tonight. It's going to be way too hot for a blanket. So I'll probably just chill with this, put one of the sides up, and roll with that. But as I said, first impressions, very comfortable, very good. This is the 1.2 Cruiser Light. So this is perfect for a ute. Folds out, and yeah, no, it's a cool little setup. It's got a little awning on the side, so heaps of airflow coming through here. So nah, it's good, except for these damn flies. These little buggers are everywhere. So I'm next to the beach, which is fair enough, but my god, they are everywhere. So I'm gonna have a chill in here for a bit, and then yeah, probably cook up some dinner. I'm doing for dinner some Big Mac wraps. So I've seen them all over TikTok. I've been wanting to give them a go, so I'm going to make them. They're going to be awesome. Nice, easy dinner, nice and simple. And then, yeah, chill up here for a bit. It's going to be a beautiful night. The stars are going to be out tonight, so I'm keen to watch some stars and just absolutely chill out, which is what this is all about. So, yeah, I'm going to have a bit of a chill.